As a Man Think by James Allen is a master classic book. According to James Allen, man is made or unmade by himself. By the right choice and true application of thought, man ascends to divine perfection. By the abuse and wrong application of thought, he descends below the level of the beast. Between these two extremes are all the grades of character, and man is their maker and master. The man is the master of thought, the molder of character, and the maker and shaper of condition, environment, and destiny. Man tend the garden of his mind, weeding out all the wrong, useless, and impure thoughts, and cultivating toward perfections the flower and fruit of right, useful, and pure thoughts. By pursuing this process, a man sooner or later discovers that he is the master gardener of his soul, the director of his life. Good thoughts bear good fruit, bad thoughts, bad fruit. Human beings are anxious to improve their circumstances, but are unwilling to improve themselves. Therefore, they remain bound. The honest man reaps the good result of his honest thoughts and acts. He also brings upon himself the suffering which his wrong thoughts produce. The dishonest man, likewise gardener of his own suffering. Good thoughts and action can never produce bad results. Bad thoughts and action can never produce good results. Suffering is always the effect of wrong thoughts in some direction. Beautiful thoughts of all kinds crystallize into habit of grace and kindliness, which solidify into genial and sunny circumstances. Pure thoughts crystallize into habits of temperance and self-control. Here is an important sentence from this book. A man cannot directly choose his circumstances, but he can choose his thoughts, and so indirectly yet surely shape his circumstances. What is the effect of thought on health and body? The body is the servant of mind. It obeys the operation of the mind, whether they be deliberately chosen or automatically expressed. The people who live in fear of disease are the people who get it. Anxiety quickly demoralizes the whole body and lays it open to the entrance of disease, while impure thoughts, even if not physically indulged, will soon shatter the nervous system. Men will continue to have impure and poisonous blood so long as they propagate unclean thoughts. So the main idea for the healthy body is, if you would protect your body, guard your mind. Thoughts of doubt and fear can never accomplish anything and never can. All that a man achieves and all that he fails to achieve is the direct result of his own thoughts. A man can only rise, conquer, and achieve by lifting up his thoughts. He can only remain weak and miserable by refusing to lift up his thoughts. All achievement, whether in business, intellectual, or spiritual world, are the results of definitely directed thoughts. In all human affairs, there are efforts and there are results, and the strength of efforts is the measure of the results. Right thought is mastery, calmness is power. Say to yourself, peace be still.